Bakit nga ba para sa ating mga Pinoy kapag kami kinalaman sa bulaklak ay mabentang-mabenta ang produktong ito? At ito ang latest mga suki. Scented na, imported from Korea at gawa pa sa sabon. Maraming artificial flowers ang nagsusulputan. Nandyan ang gawa sa towel, rosas na nakakain na gawa sa pastillas at ang bago nga rito, ang bulaklak na gawa sa sabon.
Yes, it's bath soap. Supposedly aromatic oils and all that. Pwede yung you could take a bath with it.
Ang kaibigang Korean ni attorney na si Jimmy Park ang nagpasok ng mga scented flower soap na ito sa Pilipinas. Click daw kasi ito sa Korea. So kampante silang mabebenta rin ito sa Pinas. Kasama si Jimmy Park, 4 sila nang magpa-partner sa business. Sa ngayon, 2 uri ng soap flowers ang inaangkat nila mula sa Korea, ang rose at carnation. Loose flowers nila itong nabibili sa bawat box. Last November 2008 nang simulan nilang gawa ng flower arrangement ang mga loose flower soap. At sa tulong ng kanilang business partner na si Nap, isang professional florist for 25 years, siya ang nagbigay ng buhay sa mga bulaklak.
When you design artificial thing, as the artificial flower, you should always think about fresh and natural. Basta nag-isip na ako ng something natural. Itong mga typical nating arrangement, ito yung mga suitable ito pang regalo sa mga nangliligaw. Actually, during Valentine's Day, ito po ang kailangan nating So itong bouquet na to, designed for weddings.
Si Nap ang in charge sa creative team. Yung fourth partner nila sa business na si Len ang nakatoka naman sa marketing.
Yung buhay namin talaga nasa florist eh. Because of yung creativeness na ginagawa niya, kakaiba.
Right now, it has around 34 colors and 16 kinds of scents. Yung both flowers. Each of these have its inherent advantages. What's good about yung soap flowers, that's why we found it very interesting, is that it seemed to have taken yung advantages ng dalawa, yung scent, which in artificial flowers, they don't hold the scent very well, but which fresh flowers do, but fresh flowers also live long enough, mga 3 to 5 days lang usually. And soap flowers, in terms of longevity, it's there, and the scent goes on for about 6 months indoors.
Wala pang 4 months sila sa business dahil sa lakas ng benta nila nitong nagdaang Valentine's Day, nagdesisyon ang magbe-business partners na mag-full speed ahead dahil sa tambak ng orders. Pero aminado si attorney, marami rin silang dinaanan na sakit ng ulo.
We have had a lot of parang birth pains. At some point, di mo talaga maiwasan na you really have to question yourselves and amongst your partners. Should we still continue the business because it's really getting to be mabigat. Lalo na if you're venturing into a new product, maraming hits and misses ka. But yung ano naman nun, the positive side of it is you get to have a lot of pleasant surprises also. Lalo na if things come out a lot better than you expected.
Kampante si attorney na malayo ang mararating ng scented flower soap. In fact, ngayon pa lang, pinaplano na nila ang next big step, ang pagpa-franchise.
So it would be in a form of parang distributorship. Ang nagiging problema lang namin, we told them quite frankly na if somebody wants to put up a franchise in your area, we can't protect them in that territory.
Mukhang any flower business is good business at ang scented flower soap ang latest creation ng mga gustong dumiskarte sa walang kakupas-kupas na hilig ng mga Pinoy sa bulaklak.